Hello, I'm Tom.
And I'm Lena.
Today we're talking about something that many people around the world are trying to do, learning English. There are so many methods out there, from apps to flashcards to conversation groups. Lena, how do you think people can learn English effectively?
Well, Tom, I think one of the best ways is to use English every day, even just a little. I used to write a short diary entry in English every night. It really helped me build confidence.
That's a great idea. Using the language daily, even in small ways, can make a big difference. And learning doesn't always have to be serious. It can be fun, too.
Yes, exactly. I also used to talk to myself in English while doing simple things, like making tea or cleaning my room. It helped me practice thinking in English.
Interesting technique. Now I've got a quick question for you, Lena. In which country is it common for English learners to practice with tongue twisters to improve pronunciation? Is it A, Thailand, B, South Korea, C, Turkey?
I'll guess a Thailand.
We'll see if you're right at the end of the chat, but let's keep talking about useful study tips. One word we often use is confidence. If you're confident, it means you're not afraid to make mistakes. That's key when learning a language.
Absolutely. I think too many learners worry about being perfect, but the truth is, making mistakes is part of the process. It shows you're trying.
Another important word is consistent. Being consistent means studying regularly, not just once a week, but a little bit every day.
That's right. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. The brain remembers more with regular repetition.
And now, back to our quiz. I asked which country often uses tongue twisters to practice English. You guessed Thailand. And you were right.
Yes, I knew it. I've seen some fun ones like, she sells seashells by the seashore.
That one's a classic. Let's quickly review some useful words from today's conversation.
First, confidence, believing in yourself, especially when speaking a new language.
Then, consistent, doing something regularly without giving up.
And finally, tongue twister, a phrase that's hard to say quickly and used to improve pronunciation.
Well, that's all for today. I hope this gives you some new ideas for how to study English.
Thanks for listening, and remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye.